The consensus is that better finishing could have given Jamaica a bigger win over Paraguay on Thursday. This as the Reggae Girlz had a hard-fought 1-0 win over the South Americans at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Watched by an appreciative crowd at the underused facility at Catherine Hall, the Reggae Girlz put on a football clinic in the first 45 minutes. They were technically sound, displaying slick passing and excellent off-the-ball movements, much to the delight of those in attendance. If Lorne Donaldson and his coaching staff had any complaints at half-time, it would be the team's failure to find the back of the net. Despite several gilt-edged chances to the hosts, the half ended 0-0. With clubs asking that minutes of particular players be limited, Coach Donaldson rang in the changes in the second half. Paraguay's halftime talk must have been an inspiration because they took the fight to the Jamaicans. It took a couple of fine saves from substitute Sidney Schneider to fend them off. But buoyed by the support in the stands, the Reggae Girlz found the winner in stoppage time. Alison Swaby, who had a great game marshalling the Jamaican defense, was the goal scorer, at the time wearing the captain's armband after Khadija Bunny-Shaw was substituted at the start of the second half.
Yeah, I think the first half we came out really strong. We had a lot of possession. Second half, I think we lost concentration a bit, but ultimately we fought till the end, which is what rewarded us with the goal, and we knew set pieces are something that we'd be able to dominate with this team, so ultimately that's what it was.
Coach Donaldson was a satisfied man.
You got to be satisfied to see the players working hard. That's the first satisfaction. Everybody came in. People are cramping because some of the players now, again, they're not used to the climate, But I'm satisfied that they figure a way how to get a result, how to get a win.
Captain Shaw knows what needs to be done.
I mean, I think preparation-wise, we can do a lot better. I think, we came here. There's a lot of different factors that contribute to certain stuff, but I think if we look at our game personally and collectively, we think we can do a lot better. It shouldn't, we've got a lot of chances in the game, and it shouldn't take, a 90-plus minute goal. But at the end of the day, we take the win, and we have to just correct our mistakes and move forward.
The second game in the series will be on Sunday at 6 p.m. at the National Stadium.